Hey friends, let's make a beautiful hair bonnet. So you're going to fold your fabric into two, then fold it into four, then measure 13 inches round, even though depending on the volume of the bonnet. I love mine to be 13 inches, and you're going to be needing two fabrics. You can use same fabric. After cutting it, then place it on the other fabric, fold it into four, same way you fold your flare, then cut, then place the right side facing each other. Make sure you place it properly. So I'm going to turn it to the black side, then pick any points, then measure 4 inches round, just as you see me do. So once you finish, you're going to cut it. Once you cut, you're going to pin it, then take it to your sewing machine and give it a good stitch. Once you're done, you're going to turn it to the right side, face it, place it properly. Then you're going to run a loose stitch, then gather it to your preference. My head circumference is 21, so 21 divided by 2, we have 10 and a half. So after, you're going to measure it to your head circumference. Then you need a long piece of rope. I'm going to call it rope. So the length should be 6, but the width, it depends on how you want it, right? Then just place it together, the two ends, then just give it a good shape. Then from the folding, just get the midpoint, then notch. After notching, then you can just mark the center. And that is my hair circumference 21. Then 21 divided by 2, like I said, is 10 and a half. Then you measure it both the right side and the left side. Then measure it again. So once you're done, you're going to notch the both so that you know where you place your bonnet. Then turn the fabric, but mind you, do not sew the 21 inches. That's the 10 and a half, 10 and a half. You're going to leave it open. Then from the end, like you've seen, sew it, leaving your 21 inches. Come back and sew the other side. Then you're going to turn it to the right side. You're going to do for the both side. Then pick your bonnet, look for the midpoint, notch, then also the midpoint of the rope, place it together, then pin it. So once you're done pinning, you're going to take it to the machine and run it. After pinning it, then you fold it. Before I forget, you come back and fold it again. You'll see it in the video here, the self-explanatory. Fold it to cover the rough edges. You can see it, right? So you cover the rough edges, then give it a